Why is Graceful API versioning crucial for Express.js clients? Imagine building an app that relies on an API, and suddenly that API changes. If the versioning isn't handled well, your app might break or behave unexpectedly. That's why managing API versions smoothly is so important. When you work with Express.js, a popular Node.js framework for creating REST APIs, you need a plan for how to handle different versions of your API. PI versioning means keeping track of different versions so that updates don't mess up existing clients. In Express.js, you can include the version number right in the URL path, like API v1 users or API v2 users. You can also use request headers to tell the server which version you want, or add version info in query parameters. Each method has its benefits, but the goal is to make sure clients can still work with older versions while new features are added. Why is this so important? First, it keeps older clients working without breaking. If you change your API without versioning, clients might get errors or unexpected results. With versioning, they can keep using the version they built their app around. Second, it makes transitioning easier. You can introduce new features in a new version while supporting the old one. Clients can upgrade when they're ready, not forced to do it immediately. Third, clear communication is easier. Version numbers show what has changed and what is still supported. This reduces confusion and support calls. In Express.js, you can organize your code by creating separate folders for each version, like v1 and v2. This keeps your routes and controllers tidy and easy to manage. You can also set up middleware to detect the version from headers or URL paths and route requests accordingly. This way, you can run multiple versions at once, test new features without affecting current users, and plan for deprecation of older versions over time. Using semantic versioning helps you decide how to update your API. Major versions might include breaking changes, while minor versions add features without disrupting existing ones. Patch versions fix bugs. This system helps everyone understand what to expect from each releases. Overall, Graceful API versioning in Express.js makes your backend more flexible and reliable. It helps you improve your API step by step, without causing problems for your clients. It also makes your code easier to maintain and your updates more predictable. When you plan your versioning strategy carefully, you create a better experience for everyone using your API.